All right, guys. We have a 2000 and we have a 2010 Mini Cooper base model. Guess what, guys? Customer found me on Yelp, so that's pretty cool. I did my Yelp account some time ago, so it's pretty cool that a customer actually found me on Yelp and saw the review, so that's pretty cool. But today we're going to be doing the thermostat and the thermostat and the crossover, so we'll be doing that. Customer has a name for the car. It's Spanish. Cuca. It's a little cockroach in Spanish. Cuca chica or cuca chica. I think he said cuca chica. I'll get the pronunciation correct, but he calls it the little cockroach. His first car. He was kind of hesitant because he said he's been doing the work himself, so he's had this car for a year. He actually brought in Massachusetts, but he said he drove it, him and his wife and child actually drove this car from Massachusetts down to here. So he said this is the first time he's actually given to a mechanic. He called me a specialist. First time he's given it to a mechanic to actually work on it. But we're gonna take care of his car, guys. We're gonna do. It's like 11 p.m. on a Friday, but let's go ahead and get this car taken care of, and then maybe we can go to the casino or something. So let's see what's going on inside. So he said he had a choice between this car and the Chevy Cruze, and he chose this car. But looking inside, smells good. Check out the carpet, nice. Seats are in good condition. We got the baby seat. Shit, that's the same baby seat. Or maybe they're all the same. It looks like the baby seat my baby has. But everything looks good, guys. So, has the black roof, the Mini Cooper, the base model. It's like a light blue color. You probably can't see it, but probably looks gray in the video, but it looks like a light blue color. But anyways, let's get going so we can get this done and be on our way.